The E1 error code on a Kenmore dryer indicates a problem with the thermistor. This error is often caused by loose wiring or a faulty thermistor. To fix the issue, start by inspecting the wiring to the thermistor in the control board before making any major repairs. This can be done by locating the thermistor, which involves removing the lower access panel and detaching the lint duct assembly to reach the thermistor in the blower housing. Ensure the wires are well fitted and in good condition. If the wiring is secure, replace the thermistor. To do this, unplug the dryer, release the clip holding the lower access panel, and remove the lint screen and lint duct assembly to access the thermistor. Disconnect the wires and unthread the mounting screw. Then gently pull out the thermistor. Next, place the new thermistor in the blower housing. Secure it with the mounting screw, and connect the wires. Finally, refit the lint duct assembly in the lower access panel. Plug in the dryer, and check if the error code persists.